going to be making an apple bird feeder. Here's one that we made earlier. This is what it's going to look like. So for this you're going to need a cored apple, 2 twigs that are relatively firm but not too big, some sunflower seeds and 2 pieces of string. So for the first step we're going to be putting the sunflower seeds into the apple. So what you want to do is get the pointy end of the sunflower seed and just stab it in. And do as many as you like. You know, the more you put in, the more birds are going to eat. So the next step is you're going to take one of your sticks and you're going to push it through the apple all the way through to the other side, making sure you go through the core as well. So. There we go. So you want it even on both sides so that the birds can sit on it. And now you're going to take your 2 pieces of string and your leftover stick and you're going to tie them around the stick, like next to each other. So if we tie this one like that, so you've got a long piece here to hang it on, and then do one directly next to it. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this stick and you're going to feed it through the apple. So you're going to push it all the way through and bring it out the other end, but making sure that you leave the string on the other side, but the stick has to be all the way through. And then just pull the string up and making sure you put the twigs in a cross-like shape. And then that is it. Now you can hang it on a branch or a fence or a hanging basket or something and let the birds enjoy.